You guys, I had this crazy idea about this marketing video that we could do, and it takes place with this space realtor a long, long time ago in a galaxy far, far away. And the first shot is this discount brokerage going after this noble brokerage, and they're like, pew, 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 discount, discount, discount. And then the other one's like, pew, 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 full service, higher net sales.
Pew, pew.
Pew, pew, pew.
The evil empire captures the noble ship, but not before this princess on board takes this 50-day marketing plan and sends it to this nearby planet with these robots. Why is this important? The robots have the only copy of the 50-day marketing plan, and that's the only thing that can stop the discount brokerage.
I have a question.
I'm not done, Kenneth. Okay, now on this planet we find me, and I'm playing this guy. His name is Hans Solo because my dad's German and my mother's Austrian, and so like a German Hans, and I'm just like Solo because I'm by myself.
Such a hard business.
So he finds these droids, he extracts this 50-day marketing plan from them, and he sells like 50 homes in the first week.
That seems unrealistic.
And he meets this guy with his really long light pen, and what he's trying to do is he's trying to sell homes with his mind, and that's played by you, Michael.
These are not the discounts you're looking for.
And his best friend's this gorilla-like thing, and he's a rookie, but we can't call him a rookie. So I was thinking we could call him like a Wookiee or something like that, because the rookie is the Wookiee and the Wookiee is a rookie. And then he meets this princess, and she's like wearing this white robe, and she's got like these Cinnabons in her hair. And I thought that would be you, Zach.
I love Cinnabons.
And they're like, hey man, we should work together. And he's like, no man, I work alone. But then you know what happens?
Can't handle the volume.
Exactly. So he goes back to his friends and he's like, hey guys, like we need to go out there and we need to organize a campaign to win customers. And they start winning clients and deals, hitting their monthly lead generation goals and providing unparalleled customer service. And they had this huge awards ceremony, and then that's when they cut to me and I'm like,
I'm Solo, no longer. Does it remind you guys of anything?
No. I don't think it ever reminds me of much. It's very
remotely
brave. Thank you. Thank you. You know what? This stuff just comes to me sometimes.
Ooh, Cinnabons.